Hey, how is it going? Last time I showed you how to make the powder from different kind of nuts, seeds and sesame seeds, and today I'll show you how to make the tahini sauce. Well, you can buy it at some store, but if you don't need any preservatives, you can do it really easily and quick at home. Or you can buy in some Indian or Arabic restaurants somewhere nearby. So it's something like that. And from the tahini sauce, you can make a hummus, let's say, what I'll show you in the next video. Or you can make other kind of sauces or just eat it with your vegetables or fruits, just like that. So good. So approximately on 100 sesame seeds or sesame powder, we need a tablespoon of, we do it classic, virgin, extra virgin olive oil. Or if you have a coconut oil, you can use coconut oil or sunflower oil or whatever you have. You can add a little bit of salt if you want, or other spices. So basically you can make a huge variety of different kind of sauces. We make it classy. We put the olive oil. So basically on 100 gram of seeds we put tablespoon of oil, and that's it. We just need to put it in a blender and mix it up. Really easy and quick. You can store it in a glass can or metal one, or maybe wooden one, but be sure it's no access of oxygen to it. So basically you can make it something like that, but here put really a lot of oil. It's really oily. Perfect for the keto diet, and you'll be full like really quick. Done. Super easy and quick. So basically I didn't put much oil, so it's a little bit solid. More soil, we can put more oil, and our sauce is ready. So basically I mix the black and white seeds, just make a kind of variety. So next video I'll show you how to make the hummus sauce and probably much more different kind of cool healthy stuff what you can do really quick and easy at home. So stay tuned, much more will come.